Uh-huh. Now, you have two colors or more colors that you want to do. This is what you will do before you cut. Now, go to your panel on the left side at the top left. You can
Mm-hmm.
see File, Edit, View, and then Panel. Click on the panel and click on Select by Color. Once you select, it comes out. It pop up from the on the right side of your screen, and this is the colors I have here of this image here. I have pink, red, and white. So what do I do? Let's select the red first. Now I selected the red, then I group it. Control G, or I go up this way and select group selected shapes. Click on it, it will group it. Then I move it aside. Okay. Then select the white, click select, then Control G, or you group it with the one on top. Group selected shape. Click on it. Now that is grouped already too. So I move
Mm-hmm.
it aside. Now I have the last one, which is this. That is also grouped already. So I move it aside. So if I want to cut, I take this one out, take this one in, take this one in, say just arrange it there. But before I cut it, I make sure I select it so that this line is showing. Because if I don't select, by the time I go to, let me just click out, let me not select so that you see why you need to select. Now I did not select it. So what do? I go to send. Once I go to send, it will register it by moving like this. It will register it. Once it's registered, you will notice that none of this is highlighted. None of this
Oh,
is highlighted.
okay.
So you
Okay.
cannot cut if it's not highlighted. So you have to go back to design, then select it. So now, now that, now that it's selected, excuse me, now that it's
Oh,
selected, you go to your send again. Now, let it register. If it's done registering, you can see that
highlight.
cut is highlighted. So, meaning you can actually cut this. But then before you cut, since it's rhinestone, you need to look for your rhinestone template. Now, this is cardstock. We are not using cardstock. So click on it to look for your rhinestone template. This is
Okay.
rhinestone template. I
Mm-hmm.
click on the rhinestone template. It registers again. Once it's registered, you will now see your rhinestone materials, your blade depth, which is, if it's a new blade, you can always use 5. But if it's an old blade, between 5 and 7, that's what you use. But since my blade is old, I'm using 6. Now,
Okay.
my force automatically is the default 33. That's the force. Then the passes is 2. Then the speed must always, you can
Fine.
increase it, you can increase it, you can decrease it, but depends on you. It's 5. So let's leave it at 5. So everything
Okay.
is ready. Now, once it's ready like that, because I'm not connected to my Cameo now, that's why it's not showing on. That's why
Okay.
it's unavailable. But if it's connected, it will show you ready to cut or available. To show you
Mm-hmm.
green mark for you to
Okay.
start cutting. So so once it's showing that green to cut, you now come down here to send, to click on send,
Okay.
and it will start cutting. But when you're clicking on send, make sure your silhouette machine is connected to your laptop or your system. Do we
Mm-hmm.
get it? Do you get it, ma? So
Yes.
wait for it to finish cutting. Once it's done cutting, once it's done cutting, you go back to your design. Click on design, then move this away, then bring the ones that you needed to cut. Now
Okay.
you can see that this one is wider than the
Yeah,
12.
it's the outside.
Yes. So what do? I go to my transformation panel. Go to my transformational panel. Now, on my transformation panel, I have this alignment. I have this rotation. Let's click on rotation. Now, I clicked on rotation. I can actually use any of this. This one on top, rotate to which side, or rotate by this. Now, let's try this. Let's see where it will go to. Now, I want it to go this way. Can you see it? It's actually rotated because I'm going to be using mat 1224 mat now. So let me click back so that we'll try the next one, the second one, which is this one. Rotate to rotate
90.
by, let's say 90 degree now. The same thing, it has rotated. So set it, manually grab it, move it, and keep it where you need it to cut. Then once you set it, you need this to be part of it. Let's put this aside. Let's put this here so that we'll now group everything to select both of them together and go to your send. Go to send. Remember, because I selected them, that's why it's showing here to cut. But anytime it's not showing cut, go back there and select it. And if it still did not show the cut, it's showing no cut, remove it from there. Always click on cut. Because if it's not on cut, it will not cut. So click on cut. Make sure your rhinestone template material is on, which you selected, and
Everything's set up already. Yeah.
set up already. Then it's ready to cut. Then you send.
Okay.
It will
What
start
about to cut vinyl?
to cut vinyl. If it is vinyl you want to cut, you can see where the rhinestone template is. Click on it. Look for vinyl. Now let's look for vinyl. This is vinyl carbon fiber, vinyl chalkboard, vinyl frosted, vinyl glossy. Now let me click on vinyl glossy, or let's say vinyl glitter.
Glitter.
Now it's on vinyl glitter now. Everything here changes. The blade depth changes. The force changes. The speed did not change. The pass change to 1 instead of 2.
Okay. Automatically changes, right?
He said?
Every time you change the settings of the whatever you cut in, it automatically changes the settings by itself.
Yes. Automatically do
Okay.
change. Then you are ready to cut. Then
Okay.
always make
And
sure
then
you set whatever you're cutting. Now, if you're going to be cutting vinyl, let's go back. Once you click on send, it will tell you, do you want to cut mirrored, or as it is? Now, always click, always click mirrored.
mirror.
Yes.
Yeah.
Always click mirror.
Okay. Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And can you do it again, like how we ungroup the the everything? Because when I get a template, I had to ungroup it. How do I do that? I forgot.
Okay. I'm going back. I'm clicking back.
Yeah. I've been taking classes with
Now,
the range. Huh?
let's assume this is group.
Okay.
Let's assume it's group now.
Okay.
As it's group now, you come here. Can you see this?
Do I have to click it, the whole thing first or no?
No, just select it. Select the image you're going to upload. Now, from your right side, the this is delete. This is a duplicate. This
Okay.
is offset. This is
Oh, oh,
this is word selected.
well,
Now you will now find all this. One, two, three, four. They are bring to the front or bring to the back, bring to anywhere you want to put it. Now this one is on group selected shape. That is what you
okay.
will select. That is what you will click. Once I click it, it will ungroup the selected shape. Now it has actually ungrouped them. Now click out. Once you ungroup, go to your panel. If it is two colors or three colors, always go to your panel to select by color. Once you select by color,
Okay.
make sure you group the red separately. You remember where you ungroup. The next one to it is group. You click on group or you do your control G. I mean
Okay, okay,
control
okay.
G to group. Then once
Control G.
you're done,
Okay.
yeah, once you're done grouping, take it out, select the white. Then either you group it up here or you do your control G. Now
Okay.
you see grouped already. Now this one, control G is already grouped. That's how you ungroup.
Okay.
You now arrange for cutting. You can always
Okay.
you can always cut them together if the length of the template is not wider than the 12 inches. But if it's wider, you need to do what? Rotate it so that it can fit into the 1224.
It'll fit in there. Okay.
Yeah, it can fit into the 1224. But if it's exactly if it's smaller than 1224, you can always use your 12 by 12 mat.
Mm-hmm.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I should stop the video now so that I can process it and send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hope it.
Thank you.
Let's hope it.
To
Let's hope it.
rotate it, to rotate it, where do I go?
To rotate it, come to your right side. Can you see the setup page, which is the first
Okay.
one on top? Count one, two, three, four, five, six, seven,
Okay, I see
nine,
now. Okay.
10. This one that is like three stars is the rotating is the rotating. No, not this one.
That's the other one.
Is
Yeah.
this one.
Okay.
Transformation
Okay.
panel. Once you get
Okay, I
open,
remember now from there.
you will see the rotating, which is this one. Any
Mm-hmm.
of them
Angular
you
90.
use. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I see I've been watching videos with training with excellent dreams, and a lot of people talk about you, like you do a really good job.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yes, I like that. I was watching your work and you do really good work.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so let me stop the video.
Okay, and then you send me the link. Can you send it to my email?
Yes, I can send it to your email.